Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic horizontal happy planner that I use for journaling. And this week I will be using these butterflies and the neutral alcohol ink from According to Ally, and I'll probably be using that washi as well because it's just so cool. Let's get started. I feel like this is going to be a really quick plan with me because, and I say that now and I can't find the thing that I want. I'm saying that because I think it's just, these stickers are so fun, and then I'm also going to bring in one of my quote stickers as well. So let's start with getting the alcohol ink down on the page. So I'm going to choose the largest one and put it right in this corner. I love the alcohol inks because they look like they were printed on the page, like they were meant to be there. So I'm going to alternate like there, there, and there. However, it doesn't give me tons of room to write. I'm thinking if I do this, okay, I've done this before. Okay, then I will take my X-Acto knife, which I have no idea where that is right now. My office has been like in complete chaos for really the past week. I can't get anything organized here. There we go. Ooh, I do like that. Then, oops. This one, I'm just gonna place right smack dab in the middle there. Then this one, I kind of like the odd placement of them. So let's do this. These two together, and then cut. Oh my gosh, I love that. Like just the odd, I say the odd, but the different placement. Like there's no symmetry going on. Ooh, and there's one more. I'm gonna place this one really just, there's already 3 on this side, so maybe up here. Okay, so sticker sheet done. I love when that happens. Then I'm gonna place this, I'm gonna place a few butterflies actually down here at the bottom. Or will I? No, I want to also place one of these quotes here. And this is from my most recent release. And these are the kindness quotes, or the kind quotes. And I think the reason that I chose this particular sticker sheet was because it's an oops and doesn't lift up as easy as I'd like it. There we go. Yeah, when you're getting used to the Silhouette machine and the cutting settings, you're going to have a few oops stickers. Oh, I love that. But before I do that, washi. Let's place that washi here. The kindness costs nothing. Oh, love it. I love seeing my work in a planner. It makes it seem more official. Oh my god, I hate when I do that. It makes it seem more official. Okay, and I'm going to use every single one of these butterflies all over the spread. I'm going to include some of this washi as well. But when Ally first came out with these butterflies, I was like, it's going to go so well with that alcohol ink. And I just could not get over this combination. I could not wait to be able to use them. And with Ally's stickers, I always, of any sheet that I like, I try to get 2 because I use it to decorate all 3 of my planners. I like my planners to match. You guys know anything about me? Yes, I do like my planners to match. Little type A that way. But yes, if you don't already know, I am part of Allie's PR team for August through to December. So you can go ahead and use code Karina15 for 15% off her shop. Where do I want to put this? There's 2 left, and I know I'm going to put an orange up here. Oh my goodness. And then I'm actually going to take this one off and rearrange. I always get weary of taking stickers off, but place that on top. All right, now another sticker sheet that's done. Then I'm going to add in the washi. If it sounds like I'm rushing, I don't mean to be. It's more that I love these combinations, and I'm just excited. And when I'm excited to decorate, the process goes very quickly. Okay, and maybe a little more washi at the top. I love that this washi actually kind of goes with the pattern that's in the butterflies. I'm gonna leave that. I love that. It's so out of my comfort zone in terms of color, but I love the way it looks. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.